the finished product. It looks like warm frothed milk. Look at that. It looks so good. All that creaminess. Once it completely cools off and sets up, and you'll have a gorgeous lotion. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Melissa with Belle the Bath, and I know usually you guys see me make soap, but today I'm going to be making lotion. So I'm going to go ahead and get started measuring out all my ingredients, and then I'll tell you what the next steps are from there. And now we're going to measure out our oil phase. What we have now is we have our phase A, our water phase, and then we have our phase B, which is our oil phase. And we take the emulsifying wax, and I just like to measure it separately because you can always add more. You can't take it out if you make a mistake, so I do like to measure those dry ones separately. All right, so now what I'm going to do is take both of these, cover the tops of both of these, and I'm going to bring them over here to my pan. I've got a pan of water here, got it on a hot plate, so I'm going to put both of my containers into the skillet, put it on the eye, and turn it on, and let them both come up to temperature. Now we've got our oils and our water up to temperature. So what I'm going to do right quick is take the weight of my water container and make sure that I haven't lost any weight, and if I have, I can add what I'm missing. I'm just going to top it off. Back to the correct weight. Pour our water over into our oil. And you can see the emulsion happen almost instantly. See how it turned rather milky? I'm going to take my stick blender and I'm going to blend on low for about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to let it rest and we'll come back. All right, let's blend. I'm gonna stir this with my spatula, and then I'm gonna let it sit for probably about 10 minutes, and then come back and give it another zhuzh with the zhuzher. All right, let's check the temp. Okay, so I already have my preservative measured out, very tiny amount. I'm gonna go ahead and put my preservative in here. This is one of our cool down phase ingredients. I'll get in here and make sure I have every bit of that because we measure everything. Every little drop counts. There's water in this formulation, and therefore, yes, you absolutely need a preservative. This is a water-soluble, broad-spectrum preservative. Okay, we're gonna go in one more zhuzh. Our YouTube is picking up. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so we're on the road to 1K, y'all. Definitely not as fast as I wanted to grow. And, you know, I don't upload content on a regular schedule. I tend to, you know, not post for forever and then go in and try and pack a whole bunch of stuff, you know, in there to give you guys more content. Now that I'm in the studio, I will be able to have a more regular upload schedule, even if it's not all soap, and that'll help with channel growth as well. And that's what I'm striving to do. I will try my best to get more content up for you guys. Okay, so now this is going to sit here and continue to cool off and set up, and actually once it sets up, then I will go ahead and separate it out for the different scents that I'm making. I have 3 that I'm doing today. 2 are scented, 1's unscented. So I will first pour off, or portion off for the 2 scented versions and leave the unscented in the speaker. Okie dokie, we are back. Our lotion is cooled off and it is set up quite a bit. Oh, it's beautiful. I'll get this a little bit closer so you guys can see the consistency. See how gorgeous that is? Like, it's so creamy. Oh, I love this lotion. But I guarantee if you guys try this lotion, you will definitely see why we named it Luxe. It is a very luxurious feeling. Like, it feels expensive. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And this will be the unscented batch. So now I'm just going to mix the fragrance in. You want to make sure this is thoroughly mixed in. Okay, I apologize for that. My camera battery died and I had to switch it out. On to the next one. We're stirring this one up. This is the Kentucky Bourbon lotion. We also do lotion for men, in case you guys are wondering. And what I normally do with the little bit that's left over in the container, because there is a little bit extra, I will take this and I will put it into a sample or tester bottle, so that we're at markets and stuff like that, people can test the lotion to determine if they like it before they buy it. All right guys, so this is it for me on camera tonight. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up. Go follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And also make sure that you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like the content, we'll be more than happy to do more videos like these to bring you guys what you want. I appreciate it. Love you guys. The extra lotion that's left over, we put them in these little tester bottles like this, and I just put like a little name tag on it. Here is the finished product, all labeled. It's got all of the ingredients and our information. I even have a little QR code on the side so you can scan it and reorder when your bottle's getting low. We also have a seal in here, so you know when you get your bottle of lotion, after it has been packaged, no one else has tampered with your bottle. These are the testers, and this is the actual product right here.